Fragrance oils. Most people think it's difficult to mix lye and water, but honestly it's the fragrance that messes up everything sometimes. Not every time, of course. And that is why I suggest when you pick a fragrance oil, go to your manufacturer's website and read about it. Read about three things actually. Number one, how it behaves. Most of the reputed soap making supply companies actually try these fragrance oils in cold process, in melt and pour, and all different type of things, and they actually mention on their website how it actually behaves. So you want a well-behaving fragrance oil. Unless you're at intermediate and advanced level, then you can handle acceleration and other stuff. Second thing I want you to check when you get a fragrance oil is if it has vanilla or not. It depends on what you are planning for your soap to look like. So if you don't care about the color and you don't mind if a soap turns brown or tan color, then you can use a fragrance oil with vanilla. But if you want to make some designs, colors, or don't want it to turn brown, then either you have to use a vanilla stabilizer or you will have to just skip that fragrance and pick something else. Number three, you want to check the IFRA safe usage percentage. That will tell you how much of that fragrance oil can you add to your soap. So there will be a percentage mentioned for soaps. There is a different category mentioned for lotions. There are different category mentioned for other things. So for soap making, you want to check category 9. That actually will mention how much of that particular fragrance oil can you add to your soap batch. I hope that was helpful for you. If you are a beginner, pick a fragrance oil carefully.